Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have an outgoing Happy Mail project share with you today, and this package is going to my friend Amy, who's Fairy Kisses to You on Instagram, and I will link down below my incoming Happy Mail from Amy, which was super awesome. And yeah, let's just dive right in and I'll show you what I sent to her. By the time this video goes live, she would have already received my package, and this is just me sharing what I sent to her. So a while back I did, in my collaboration with Wanda, I had shown my tag caddy using this Graphic 45 large tag die. And I love this die. It has been a godsend. So I just decorated it, put a little ribbon. I included some goodies in there just to share, put a little applique, and I love that the way this came out. I also used that same die to package up goodies. So you could kind of see it here. And I love that it's long. I could just add embellishments. And here is my him and her gingerbread man. And we're layered sweet in the middle. And we've got some bows here and this cute little deer head that I painted and used Nuvo gilding plates just to give it a little whimsy. And I love the way that this came out. I got a little present for her. Just love this little wrapping paper. I love to reuse packaging, and this is from the Prima Santa Baby ephemera pack, and all I did was just, taped it and threw in the goodies, and this fit perfectly. I have this little embellishment here. I have some hot cocoa cups and this layered Merry Christmas and these two macaroons, which ended up being perfect with the Santa Baby collection. These were the Elizabeth Crafts macaroon set. This is an alley die, and I love this layered die. Let me see. I made another one of those clocks that I'd shown in my collaboration with Wanda, and I love this shaker. So much fun. Okay, let's see. I have a little bundle here just filled with goodies, just so I can share. Let's see what else. I have this little embellishment pack here as well, and this is some snowflakes, layer on layer on layer, and this glittered up candy cane, which I'll show you one out of the package. It's right here. I just put little greenery, and this is all distress stickle glitter, which I'm loving. Let's see, I have this, I took this out of the packaging, shaker tool embroidery hoop, tongue twister. And of course we have our famous Santa Baby Santa. I painted it. I lined the front with this Hobby Lobby trim, these sides with some pink pom-pom, the front with this Merry chipboard sticker from the Santa Baby collection. Add a little ribbon on top, and the back, just my little label, and this Merry Days thicker sticker. And I love the way that this came out. It's been a lot of shakers this season. I have this little box here, and I'm just going to show you what's inside. I'm sharing a die with her. This really cute, ornament from Kohl's, and it's the Lauren Conrad collection. She's so sweet. I included some pom-poms. I made a gable box. I put some tulle pom-pom trim on top, that layered Merry Christmas. And in here I have the Tim Holtz half-baked embellishments. So I'd watched a video on his channel, and he had shown how he used craft cards to create a little card using this set, and I was like, oh my god, it's so genius. They can use this, my pals can use this, and basically this is what I've created. Just a little Nouveau drops because I wasn't about to paper paste all those little lines. A little snowflake, and I have packs of craft card sets that I've never used, so this was like a perfect opportunity to just kind of like burn through my excess. And I like the way that I put it in a little box just to say, hey, here you go, fresh baked cookies. Oops, I stamped those on both sides. Oh wells. Give her another one. Okay. And that is it for that one. And in here I included this little box which I purchased from Allie. So cute. And I included some, if I can get it open. Here we go. Some chocolates in here for her. So I'm all about the sweet treats when I send Happymail. I think it just adds a little extra. Okay, I'll just put this to the side. Finish up my project share. Okay, let's just go through this one. I did create another one of those embellishment box using those Dollar Tree plastic 3-compartment containers. Again, I layered the bottom with this beautiful tulle pom-pom trim. I think this is one of my favorites, and I'll link that down below. Also this rose trim on top. I use the Santa Baby collection paper, and in here we have just some embellishments. I created some of these layered wreaths using the Tim Holtz Movers and Shapers wreath die. I have this little cute Cottage Cuts teddy bear, and I included some felt snowflakes on the bottom. I have some seed beads and pastel colors in here, and some snowflake sequins in here. I also have some of that Hobby Lobby stars, just because like sharing is caring. And in this one I have a lot of like knickknacks, some buttons, some wood snowflakes, some stuff from my stash that I wanted to share. Okay. That's that. And then let's see. Last but not least, I have this little tag flip. So I was really inspired by Mrs. Everly, who's here on YouTube and Instagram, and when she came to the States, I believe she purchased this then, and I happened to be in IKEA, and that's where she purchased them, and these were $1, and I was like, oh my god, these are great, let me try to buy them and alter them. And I thought that my pal could possibly, you know, reuse the frame for other things later on, and I love this. I hope she loves it. So I did line the sides with this gold star trim. I put a little glittery butterfly and a prima flower on top just to kind of balance out the sides. And I just did the back again with that star trim. And then here is my tag flip. I'm just going to zoom in. Okay. So in this one, I have this Spellbinders star die, and here's her name, and it says Merry Christmas. Love the way that that came out. We have good old Santa here, Santa Baby Santa, and I mixed the Merry Days sticker collection. Yeah, I like the way that that came out. Just stickle the string that he's holding, just to give a little glitter, a little pom-pom on his hat. Then we have this Santa here, and just says cheer. We've got this little stocking, and I put a little pom-pom trim on the top, a little foam for the sock part, and it says jolly. Let's see. Okay. Oh, lost 2. Okay. This one is a ornament shaped layered tag, and I just have that Santa Baby chipboard sticker. I love that the way this came out. I put a little snowflake in the back, just layer on layer. And then this one I showed in my collaboration with Wanda, and I just had to recreate it. I just deviated it from a little bit. I just added this little banner. I thought that was cute. I made the pom-poms a little bit bigger. Again, layers on layers. It's really dimensional, and I love this tag. So that is it for my project share. I hope Amy loves my projects, and thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.